Today, my name is Johnbull, enaohwo. Also, my co-research partner, Joseph Oshole. Today,
Yeah, I'm here.
okay. So today, I want to talk about some issues that is bothering most of our researchers that are doing furnace generator. Many have tried so many means on how to construct a generator in different categories. But for my research so far, I want to let people to know that it's very possible to do what they call furnace generator. But today I want to lay more emphasis on this issue called charging. How can we charge the generator or make it self-running? So our first episode today, we will talk more on how to increase the watts of the strength of the charging unit. So before you start it, follow me and let's see how I do my own and it work. As you can see, this is called armature, and we have different types of armature. So today, let me start with those people that are into 1 kVA, 1.8 kVA. You can see the armature. I've removed the coil inside. You can see, and this one is the coil is still inside, but this one I've removed the coil. So what you are going to do now is that for the first thing you do, you locate which of these magnets is it north or south. Look at it. So what you're going to do now is that instead for you to locate that north and south, since we are not using the coil again, you remove it. So when you remove it, the next thing you do the next thing you do is that you carry your paper. This is a plain sheet. You bring it down, you measure the size. You see the way I put my hand? You put your hand inside and you use your hand to follow the line. You will see the line will be showing by itself. But let me do it again so you don't get confused. This is a plain sheet, there's no mark inside. You put it at the edge. Look at this edge very well, you put it there. And ensure that it's very smooth. The next thing you do, you use hand to trace it to find the sharp edge. You need to use hand to rub it. The rectangle shape comes out. You see it now. Then you fold it. Ensure this place is very neat. So after you fold it, you use your hand. You don't need scissors. See, you'll be trimming it out.
Yeah.
Now we have cut it. Ensure you cut. You now look at this. Look at the line very well where it meets. You fold it to that line gradually, and you do what? You tear this half away. Then what you do now? Let me show you the mathematics. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, 4 lines. And this one, make it. Let me just assume we want to take this button, and this button. What you do is that you make one folding. See the way I fold my own. You fold it up. You come back again. You not fold it turn. You fold it this side again. See the way I do it. pause first. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's continue where we stopped before. So now this is the armature. Now.
Yeah.
Now, after we collect this paper and we fold it to two by the use of ensure the line are equal, everything. So what you need to check is that the ruler, you check first what is the, look at it, is what, 6. So means I will be using 2 divided by 2. That means from here we get 3 and what to here 3. That means I will be using in between 2 and 5. Our magnet will be at 2, 3, 5. So in between this one, we're using our put our magnet at 2, 3, 5. This place we're putting it now. So look what I'm saying. So what you do, you take it, you write it. Your first pull, take the line, take the other line, and take the third line. Now, since it's 6 centimeter, you put it in this form. And the other magnet is in this form. Why the other one? So at the end of it, you get something like this. So you start with the center, which is north, north, south, 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 south. Let's open it. So this one is north, this one is south. You take this one to be north, north. This one is south, south, north, north. If you look at it very well, 2, 2, 2. That is perfect one. So north, south, north, south, north, south, north. You start with south and it ends with north. You start with south and it ends with north. So it means that this, if you say it to 2, look at what happened. This one will be alternating north. This one will be alternating south. This south will be alternating north. Perfect. So you
can you please place it on it so that.
Okay. So you put it on it in this form. You put it. You take your gum or you sellotape and sellotape it. When you sellotape it, you carry it to your drilling machine. Your drilling machine will now drill the hole. Look at it. You take your the diameter of the magnet you're going to use. You put it inside. So look what happened. If this is the magnet circle, here the diameter is equals to 25 mm. While the depth, the thickness is 3 mm. Means that the depth of what you are going to drill here is going to be plus 1 mm. Means that so that if you will not have a rough surface, you should go inside by 1 millimeter. So for after you finish drilling it, the next thing you do when you are finished drilling the hole, what you do next, you ensure that all these poles, the pole of the magnet should face up. Means that this particular spot, the north should face up, At this spot, the south should face up. At this spot, the north should face up. Hope you follow me. So now, how can you know the size of your magnet? Follow me. Look at it very well. You see it? The magnet must not touch this line, must not come to this line, and must not come to this line. So it must be in between this particular place. It must not cross this line, these two lines. If you cross these two lines, it will bridge. So it will be must be in between this line. You understand my point? So now, from so far, the highest magnet you can take so far, if you can look at it very well, highest magnet you can take so far is 20 to 25 mm. 20 to 25 mm. 20 to 25 mm. That is about 2.5 centimeter or 25 millimeter. You see. So I hope you enjoy today's lecture on how to increase the watt of your generator, your furnace generator, in order for you to have effective charging system. Thank you and God bless you. You can subscribe and you can also call us for further information if you don't understand it very well. Once again, thank you for your attention and your time given for you to watch our channel. God bless you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.